probably gonna be showing you the Evolution, or when did I, the last fidget spinner I got and the first fidget spinner I got. So, right here is this Pop It fidget spinner. As you can see, it's a, yep. Next, I got this green glow in the dark. Then I got this orange and purple one of those fidget spinner. And then the last one I got is this. Yeah. That's pretty much all for this video. So, yeah. Please subscribe.